find your room too plain and boring? We know a few awesome decoration ideas we're going to share. Let's add summer colors to your room. You don't believe your flatware can be easily transformed into a stunning wall decor item? We bet you're wrong. We'll need an A4 or bigger photo frame. Remove the back. Take off the glass. Spray light green paint. Better put on latex gloves and cover your tabletop to protect the surface. Take the flatware, a fork, a knife, and a spoon. Spray both sides with the sky blue color. Assemble the frame. We won't need the glass. Make the background from white paper. Fasten the back. Hot glue the main details. The knife in the center, the fork at the left, the spoon at the right. It'll take a little time to make this beautiful low-cost wall decoration that'll make your room lovely. We adore giving a second life to old things. This time, we'll make a glass jar transformation. Use the jars to make a cute kitchen holder. We'll need a little jar with a metal top and circular templates with spice names on them. Or you can write any other names instead. Place the template inside. Trace the letters squeezing hot glue on the bottom. We've got a 3D spice name. Make a few jars with different names. Cover the jars with acrylic paint. Tape the screw part. Use a sponge. Dab the name thoroughly. When dry, remove the tape. Remove the excess paint with a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover. Paint the jars in different colors. We've got a number of rainbow color spice containers. Place the jars on a wooden board. Take disc magnets. Hot glue to the board. Use 2 pieces per each container. And voila! The jar is attached. The double disc magnets are strong enough to hold the spice container in a horizontal position. Put the spices in the containers, keeping in mind the names on the bottom. Take the exact spice off the magnet board. You'll never muddle up your spices using this smart organizer. It's an amazing design idea to add a summer feeling to your kitchen. The holder is multifunctional. You can easily transform it into a handmade supply organizer or put some other useful small stuff in it. What creates the spirit of summer better than fruit? Just imagine fruit of incredible colors. Let's make fascinating decor accents. To make a fruit decoration last longer, leave a peel without flesh. Cut a piece of fruit in half. Remove the flesh. Use it to make lemonade. Attach the halves. It looks like a whole piece of fruit. We'll need a number of similar fakes. Paint them in bold colors. You can experiment with different methods of painting. Wow! We've never seen lemons of this kind. It's time to accent your room with creative citrus designs. Take glass vases of a cylinder shape. Choose items of different sizes. Fill them with non-standard fruit pieces. Combine the colors or take one shade per vase. It's unbelievable! The gorgeous statement decorations are made from plain citrus peels. Here's another cool idea. We've left one more empty lemon. We'll need a small square frame without glass. Attach a lemon half or 2. It's a simple and cute summer decoration idea. It's stunning but short-lived. The painted peels will spoil after a while. To make the decoration last longer, dry the lemon or lime halves in the microwave. The shape will deform a little, but the citrus peels keep longer. If there's no time to make party decorations, use the fruit design for a table decor item. It's super easy and glamorous. Do you like giant things? What about a giant wall clock? Let's make one so we know when it is time to work and when it is time to rest. Let's get started with a cardboard frame. Measure 4 inches across the length on your A4 paper sheet. Make marks. Measure 2 inches beyond the top edge. Repeat for the bottom. Make a dotted line across the marks. Draw a smaller square inside the bigger one to get a frame. Cut out across the line parallel to the sheet side. Remove the inside of the frame with a craft knife. Fold up across the dotted lines. It took us just a few minutes to make such a nice cardboard frame. Take a small photo frame. Remove the back and the glass. Spray paint the frame. Use a vivid summer color. Cover the back of the cardboard frame with paper. Spray paint. Make 4 wooden frames and 8 cardboard ones. Take colorful fruit pictures. You can find them in the video description. Put the pictures in the frames. Fit the size. Make the clock central part. Take a wide piece of tape to make a template. Trace it on patterned cardboard. Cut it out. Mark a central hole. Cut it out with the craft knife. Assemble the clock. Secure the clockwork. Add the hands and fasten it up. Attach double-sided paint to the back frame to fasten on the wall. Add a themed phrase. Trace the template on velvet paper. You can either write it by hand or print it out. You will need some time and patience for this job. Cut out the letters with the craft knife. Add the finishing touch to make it complete. Put everything together. Wow! It's actually a giant clock, a whole installation. Make sure you have enough space to hang all the elements on the wall. The creative wall art will dominate and immediately make your room different and unique. Don't hurry to throw away your cans. Transform them into a smart holder for your school and DIY supplies. Come on, let's do it! We'll need a can with the label removed. Use spray paint. Add a splash of summer colors to cans of different sizes. Make a hole in the bottom. Hammer a self-tapping screw, or you can use a nail. Drive the screw in. Make holes in all of the cans. Place the cans on a wooden board however you like. Take self-tapping screws again. Secure the cans on the board. Paint the screws. You can use them when they dry. You can place this colorful organizer on your table or shelf, or hang it on the wall, wherever you like. Do you think you can only use forks just for eating? No way! We've used them in the wall decor, and we're going to transform them into an awesome hook rack. We'll need 3 of the same forks made of soft metal and pliers. We've drilled a hole in each. Bend up 3 prongs. Leave 1 untouched. Fold 2 middle prongs of another fork. We've made 3 different bending combinations. Make hooks from the handles. Bend them up. You'll have to use force to do it. Repeat for the other forks. Take the bright spray paint again. Make the fork hooks pink. Color the screws using nail polishes. Cover the head with 2 shades of green. We'll need 3 self-tapping screws. We've cut and painted a wooden board in a white color. Fasten the hooks. Mark the holes. Drive the colored screw. Secure the other hooks. If you can't make holes in the forks, Use the hot glue gun or multi-purpose glue to attach the hooks. Find the right place for the rack. Hang your keys or jewelries. Use the prongs as extra hooks. You can also use spoons instead, though you won't have extra hooks in that case. We love to accent our interior with creative designs. Use any available material: empty cans, spare forks, or citrus peels. It's the best way to express your individuality.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind.